In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Desktop for finding stock footage. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to find the official tool, especially if you're accessing it for the first time. Once the search results appear, look for the official Genspark listing labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace and open that result. Using the official page helps make sure you're working in the right place and getting the intended features. After you arrive on the Genspark page, the main thing you'll need to do is type in your prompt. This is where clarity matters most. Instead of entering something broad like city footage, be as specific as possible about the kind of stock footage you want. A detailed prompt gives the AI better direction and improves the quality of the results. For example, you could ask it to find and link free high-resolution downloadable MP4 stock footage of a rainy city street at night from sources like Pexels or Pixabay. That level of detail is useful because it tells the AI exactly what style of footage you need, the file format you want, the quality you expect, and even the websites you prefer it to search. As a general tip, include keywords related to mood, setting, time of day, resolution, and licensing preference whenever they're relevant. The more targeted your request is, the easier it is for Genspark to return footage that matches your project. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit to start the process. Genspark will then begin analyzing your request and searching for matching stock footage options based on the details you provided. That's the basic workflow. Find Genspark, open the official workspace, enter a highly specific stock footage prompt, and submit it. If you want better results, spend an extra few seconds refining your wording before you hit submit. That small step can make a big difference in the footage suggestions you get.